Okay, so today we have here the Böhm Xtra Impact wireless Bluetooth speaker. This is here the Camo design version. Let's have a look at the features here. 6 to 10 hours playtime, IPX4 water resistant, then NFC connection. You can make phone calls with it. That's not bad. And here's some more features here: volume control and the changing of the audio tracks. And so now let's have a look inside here. But first, it also comes here with this camo hat. Find that pretty cool. Neat idea that this comes with it. And yeah, so now let's have a look inside of this. Okay, so first in the box we find here another small box, and in there we have here the auxiliary cable that allows you, in case your device doesn't have Bluetooth, then you can connect to the speaker here with this cable. Then also we have here a USB to micro USB cable that's used to charge the speaker, the battery of the speaker. And then we also have in here the user's manual. So it's pretty short and sweet, but it explains exactly how this thing works. So in case you want to read this, then you can maybe pause the video, have a close look in case the video resolution is good enough in order to read it. And then we already have here the speaker itself. Let's take this out of this wrapper here. Let's have a look. Really close look. So you see here the nice design of the speaker. Camouflage. On the bottom we see here shiny. This is a passive radiator on the bottom of the speaker. And then what else do we have here? So if we look at the front here, then you see here there's just some writing. Then here this little hole here is for the microphone, and we have here the power button. Then on top here there's this wheel used to change the volume. And then here on the bottom we have here this plastic cap here. That's behind there. There we find here the auxiliary port and also the micro USB charging port that we use to charge the battery. This is here protected from water with this cap. And then we have a little bit more here on the top. That's where you see here the power indicator. If you want to turn this on here, you have to press and hold the power button for a little bit in order for it to power on. And then you see here in the middle here there's this blinking little LED. Probably tells me that it likes to connect to a device now with Bluetooth. So yeah, this is already it for the unboxing video. I hope you like this. In case you have any questions, then yeah, just leave a comment below.